So guys, the first plate that I make did look a little bit too basic, you know, so we redo it. So I find some veggies in the fridge, so I drive about a little decoration on it, you know. So see, yeah man, guys, remember to like and share. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Yeah man, give thanks to everybody. You see it? So that's fried shrimp and fried plantain. So getting them plantains ready. Yeah, already cut, already peel. Good to go. Good. All right, so for the season, the shrimp, we're just gonna use that. See, this is a good one to use. Just gonna use that also, and then this one. See, trust me, you can use any seasoning of your choice. It's just what I have in the in the cupboard right now. So yeah, so you don't want to season them too much. So that's good for that. And you're gonna have a little of this one. Yeah, you're gonna have a little bit of this one. So yeah, all right. And then you're gonna go up in height. So you're gonna deal with it my way. Yeah. All right, that's good. All right, so we're gonna deal with the flour now. See? All right, flour time. Maybe like a tops more of this, not too much. So this one, I'm not gonna add any of this. So before we start fry, we're gonna need an egg. All right, one egg. Then you go in it like this. Yeah. Just like that. You know what I'm going to do now? Straight another flour. Everything may I put in there. Everything in the flour. Hold on. Get that one. Everything. Ready again? Ziploc it. Yeah. That's all I want them. Not a grease now. That's only outside some plants. Yeah, so. So may I give them the first flip right now. Look at that. Easy dinner. Easy dinner. You know, you have this, you can put it with some sauce too, you know, any sauce, barbecue dipping sauce, what you kind of buffalo sauce, you know. Yeah man, anything. Any one of them sauce, just like chicken wings, any one of them sauce you can put it with. See that? Easy man, see that? Easy 1, 2, 3, you see it? Okay guys, so don't worry. I did go ahead and wash the board and dry it. So it's press time. See? Yeah man, we press all of them. Press all of them. But seriously, look at that. Look at this. Hands washed, don't worry. Look at this. Nice, you couldn't ask for nothing. Couldn't ask for nothing better. Yeah man, so right now I deal with the planting them. And then we'll show you the final product. Boom. See that? Yeah, so check this out. Even put some sauce on it. This. Yeah. Yeah man. That's my fried shrimp, you see it, so. Big up. One love. So guys, the first plate that I make did look a little bit too basic, you know, so we redo it. So I find some veggies in the fridge, so I drive about a little decoration on it, you know, so see, yeah man guys, remember to like and share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Yeah man, give thanks to everybody, you see it. So that's fried shrimp and fried plantain, fried green plantain. Now we crush it out. You see it, so that's it right there. And you know, make me find a sauce in the fridge. Trust me. When you have the fried shrimp, it go with anything. Yeah, oh, you pop the cap, man. Try to pop the cap for you. See? Yeah. Yeah, try a thing. Yeah, well, look more, we need a whole cup of sauce for that. Yeah, see?